I'm Lucy Marie, and I'm the team leader for the Cooter Strong Racing 000 team for Long King Middle School.
I'm Owen Tucker, and I'm on the 000 pit crew.
Our F24 car competes in the modified division, and wheel bearings are one of the things that we can change on the cars.
The bearings that come in on F24 are good, but they're not as good as Boca Bearings hybrid ceramics.
We have found that they have less rolling resistance, which allows us to go faster, and our electric motor uses less energy. Since we compete in endurance races, that helps us log more laps.
Okay, to start off with, we have to remove both stock bearings. This means we have to get the bearing puller and put it in here. Got to force it a little. Next, you have to tighten this bolt down. You can do it manual at first, but you have to take your 19 and 13 wrench and tighten it down all the way once you got it done manually. So now we take our 19 and our 13 and we tighten it down. Alright, we have it tightened down all the way, so now we have to flip it over, and we take our punch and our mini sledge, and we got it out. So this is the sleeve and this is the bearing, and we have to loosen the nut. Now you hit the end, and the sleeve comes off, and you can pull the bearing off. Now we just have to do it with this side. Alright, so now we take our handheld bearing press, and we take our bearing, put it on here. Put in the wheel, flip it over, get our flat washer, put it on here, take our other handle and spin. Now we tighten down on this side until the bearing's in, and now we can, since it's in, we can loosen it. Alright, so now we have this bearing in. We flip it over. Don't forget your sleeve. Put it in there. Take your other bearing. Our sleeve's still in there. We get it through. And put the bearing on. So now we have it tightened. We can loosen it. Now you have your bearings in. Boca Bearings hybrid ceramics have helped us have the top 2 cars in the nation for the past 3 consecutive years.
If you want to start winning more races, give Boca Bearings a call.